If you're seeing Smartsheet Error 503 and wondering what it means or how to fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what causes the Smartsheet 503 error and the step-by-step methods you can use to fix it quickly. A 503 error usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, and in most cases, it's not permanent. The good news is, there are several simple things you can do right now to get back into your sheets. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see a 503 error in Smartsheet is simply wait and refresh the page. A 503 error often happens when the servers are temporarily overloaded or undergoing brief maintenance. This can happen during peak usage times or system updates. Give it about 1 to 3 minutes, then refresh your browser using the refresh button, or by pressing Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on Mac. In many cases, the issue resolves itself automatically. If the page loads normally after refreshing, then the issue is temporary and you're good to go. If refreshing doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to check Smartsheet's official status page. Open a new tab and go to status.smartsheet.com. This page shows real-time information about outages, maintenance, or degraded performance. If there is a widespread issue, you'll see it listed there along with updates from Smartsheet. If the status page confirms an outage, then the only solution is to wait until Smartsheet resolves it. This also saves you time because you'll know the issue is not coming from your device or internet connection. If there's no reported outage, the next step is to log out of Smartsheet and log back in again. Sometimes your session token can expire or become corrupted, especially if you've been logged in for a long time. Click on your profile icon, sign out completely, then close the browser tab. Reopen Smartsheet and sign back in with your credentials. This forces the platform to create a new session and often clears temporary authentication errors that can trigger a 503 message. If you're still seeing the error, try opening Smartsheet in an Incognito window or a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, open an Incognito window, or try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps determine whether the issue is related to browser extensions, cached files, or cookies. If Smartsheet works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely caused by a browser extension or corrupted cache. In that case, clear your browser cache and disable extensions one by one to identify the cause. Another important step is to reduce load if you're working with very large sheets or running heavy automations. A 503 error can sometimes appear if too many requests are being sent at once. Try closing other large sheets, pausing complex automations, or reducing the number of simultaneous updates. If you're collaborating with a large team, ask others to temporarily pause bulk updates and see if the error clears. Finally, if you're using the Smartsheet API or running automated workflows through integrations, wait before sending additional API requests. A 503 error can indicate rate limiting or temporary service throttling. Stop the automation, wait several minutes, and then try again with fewer requests. Spacing out API calls can prevent repeated 503 errors. So, to quickly recap, wait and refresh, check the Smartsheet status page, log out and log back in, try Incognito or another browser, reduce heavy usage, and pause API or automation requests if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue. That's how you fix Smartsheet Error 503 quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet troubleshooting guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.